drummers and bass players can work together to outline the form of a song. For example, they can make it really clear when we are switching from a verse to a chorus. They can also do things with their dynamics to lead the rest of the band. Check out this example of Scott, Spencer, and I playing together. Spencer and I are going to take a few breaks in the middle so that Scott has room to solo. Now we're going to demonstrate the breakdown that Spencer and I will play during Scott's guitar solo. Notice how I'm going to choose drums with short note lengths, like a snare drum, which goes away almost immediately, when Spencer is playing short notes. And at the end, when we play longer notes, I'm going to choose to use the crash cymbal, which is going to ring out a little bit longer. All right, here we go. 1,